Para hindi mga sagabal. Once again, Patrick, ilang beses mo ito ginagawa? You may kiss. Once again, your bride.
Patrick Garcia muling pinakasalan ang kanyang asawang si Nika Martinez. Sa ika-10th year wedding anniversary, sila nga ay nag-prepare ng renewal of vows. Ginanap ang kasalan nila sa Boracay. At nandito ang mga kapatid ni Patrick na sina Cheska at Pichon. Masaya na naging party ng wedding ang kanilang 4 na anak. Nakakatuwa naman ang wedding entrance ni Patrick Garcia. Napagiling nga ito habang naglalakad. Ang ganda naman kasi ng wedding song nila. Tila hindi rin tumatanda itong si Patrick sa kanyang edad na 43, tila nasa 20s lang. Marami naman ang kinilig sa pagpasok ni Bride Nika. Nakakatuwa ang sabi niya habang naglalakad, parang first time lang. Masarap nga naman sa pakiramdam na muling ikasal sa iyong asawa lalo na't narating ang 10th anniversary. Ang sweet ng pagsundo ni groom sa bride. March 21, 2015 nga ikinasal sina Nika at Patrick. Ngayong 2025, nabiyayaan na sila ng 4 na anak at umamay din sa kanilang kasal at naging parte ng ceremony.
Do you commit to continually raise up your children in the knowledge and fear of God according to the Bible?
I do.
And love Patrick faithfully and unconditionally?
I do.
Do you commit to continually respect, honor, and submit to Him as unto the Lord?
I do.
Do you commit to follow Jesus Christ and the Word of God to the best of your ability in being a godly wife to your husband and a godly mother to your children?
I do.
Discussing, planning if we should celebrate our 10th year. It got me thinking where to celebrate or if we should even celebrate. And hindi ko sinasabing mahirap yung 10-year journey natin. Hindi ko rin sinasabing madali. What I like to say is, yung 10-year journey natin, we worked on it. We worked on each other. We worked on ourselves. We worked on being the best version.
Nakaka-touch nga ang wedding vows ni Patrick Garcia. Hindi naging mahirap, hindi naging madali ang marriage nila, sabi niya. Pero, na-appreciate niya ang buong 10 taon dahil mag-asama nilang pinagtrabahuhan ang marriage. Kaya tumagal sila ng ganito.
Actually, no. I love our family. And let's continue this. We have a good thing going. So, I love you. I love you for 10 years. I love you for 100 more. To infinity and beyond. I love you, my love. Of ourselves.
Say thank you. Thank you for being an amazing husband. Thank you for being the best father. I will never stop thanking our Abba Father for giving me you as my lifetime partner. Love, I have never been so in love with you. Our love has only gotten stronger, better, more beautiful through time. Always more today than yesterday. Who God entrusted to us. A true testament of how God is. How much love and favor we have been blessed with. My love, we will never be perfect, but believe me when I say you are perfect for me. Our relationship has matured so much And during times of uncertainty and worry, and I'm such a worrier, you always stay calm, hug me, assure me. Tulad ng sinabi mo sa vows mo, basta magkasama tayo. Okay lang yan. Kakayanin. As long as we're together. Pat, I absolutely love everything about you, and I mean everything. Fixing it every time you pull out a folded shirt. I like observing you when you are in your nothing box. All throughout the day, I am simply in love with who you were then and who you are now. All of you. I remember my vows 10 years ago. I said, I loved you then, I love you now, and I will love you forever like I have never loved anyone before. That my heart is yours and yours alone. That wherever you go, I shall go. Your dreams will be mine because I choose you. Wherever you are, that's where my home will be. And I stand here today in front of the Lord, our foremost precious gifts, our parents, our family, and closest of friends, saying I do to you once again. You will always be my very best.
Nakakatuwa naman ang pagtatapos ng kasalan. Naging masaya ang kasal nila dito sa Boracay, napakaganda ng panahon. Iba talaga ang feeling kapag garden wedding. Umattend nga ang mga kaibigan ni Patrick Garcia na sina Kay Abad at Paulo Contis. Masaya nga sila para sa mag-asawa. Nandito rin sina Isabel Oli at Joy Soto na kaibigan naman ni Nika. Ang pretty naman ng ina ni Nika Garcia na nakasuot ng blue wedding dress.
Hi, Gavin.
Get these together. Because